Hello everyone, this is LockpickingDev, Master 80mm Magnum disc lock. I got this from Sturgis, South Dakota as I was moving to Seattle. I haven't picked it in a while, so I'm going to give it a go. Oh, there we go. Well then, that was a lot quicker than I thought. So again, that was the Master Magnum 80mm. You can see it's got like a little bit of a weatherproof thing on it. We can cover it up and all. Let's see what the key looked like. So it's only 4 pins. It wasn't extremely hard, but it is what it is. There you have it. Thanks for watching.